Morning. Good morning, guys. Good evening. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our today's episode of Livestream 16th of June 2026, guys. How do you feel? How are you feeling today in this heavy waters? Close to 31,000 on the Nasdaq. Slowly climbing with a daily opening 8:38. We're gonna take it slowly, guys. Good morning, good evening. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Hey, great to see you. Great to see you guys. Here we are. So first things first, we're gonna share the presentation pretty much everywhere in all the trading groups as usually. You guys, you certainly want to do the same thing. In all the trading groups, come on. Invite your friends, buddies, whatnot. Good morning. Let's go. A little earlier today with about 10-15 minutes than usually. Having a great time. We're going to be streaming more. That being said, here we are. Good job. Well, look at that. We got a couple of points down. Daily VWAP 847. This is looking interesting, guys. Interesting. Look at this whole thing in the 1 minute. Good evening, good day. Great to see you. Cheers, everyone. Have a good green tea. And take the day slowly. We're going to set up the copy trader here for the FundedSeat. 5 accounts of 50,000. We managed to bring them funded yesterday. We also traded yesterday. The first funding day, and we're going to continue trading for the second day. I can actually go ahead and request the payout after 4 days. Here's the link, guys. Here's the link for those of you that are interested. FundedSeat is running 50% off, but the first purchase is 60, and then everything is around 50. Daily flexes, one-step flexes, are the choices. 50,000 or 150,000 are the best. We're speaking about maximum 5 funded and only 4 trading days. No consistency on the funded stage. 4 trading days for the payout. And there is no daily loss limit. The classic 3,000 target on the evaluation with a 2,000 drawdown. Classic. No target for the funded stage. Very, very similar to what Lucid is running on the flex side. Very, very similar to that. Wondering about a daily opening, which is not going to be a big deal at all. Most likely wondering about 755. If we could actually hit that. Today's low with weekly VWAP. Even though the weekly VWAP becomes more and more interesting after Wednesdays. Right? So I certainly consider these 3 days of accumulation of data. And then Thursday, Friday, the touches for the weekly VWAP are way more meaningful than what happens on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Way more meaningful. So you could expect a way more meaningful reaction from that one. Good day, welcome, buddy. Great to have you onboarded. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway, guys. The link is here. We're sharing 150,000 today in prop firm giveaways. You got the formula link right there. You got to be part of our Discord. Like the video and be subscribed. We must hit minimum 200 likes to do this. Still a little early today, but that's certainly not a problem. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We're trading micros for this 50K accounts, copy trading 3, and there is one more group of 2. Thinking about still testing out a little short here of 20 micros. I only have to do minimum $250 per day. There is a minimal target. So I'm going for a continuation here, guys. For a continuation trade. I sold half of it and the rest was going to stay. There you go. We completely sold 183 profit on 3 accounts. That's decent for the moment. That's decent for the moment. Questioning and wondering around that daily opening 840s and then all the way to 755 should not be excluded at all. Long time no see. I've been away last week in holidays, so we just started yesterday, guys. Yesterday we started, and here we are. Running some great live stream show. I wanted to share with you the giveaway we've got. You don't want to miss out with the Lucid. A giveaway coming from our YouTube Shorts. Let me drop you the link. Oh. We're very close to daily VWAP, 848, which is something I'm gonna long. Hopefully I haven't missed that. Hopefully. 10 contracts have been filled. I'm gonna long it on my Lucid account too. Let me open up Quant Tower. How do we prop firm accounts? You certainly want to be part of the giveaway. Sign up the giveaway. The link is in the chat. We also have a link in our Discord. You like to participate in the giveaway, which happens on the stream a little later. Thank you. I'll be careful here and trying to scalp. I'm out. Lovely. We made about $130, guys. Lovely. Not gonna get greedy. We're just riding micro momentum. Trying to short here. Yeah. For a few dollars. I'm out. 389 profit. Probably I'm going to try to walk around the 500s. This is a possible level of bouncing. Yet certainly expecting a little choppiness on the seconds standpoint, right? This is a 1 minute chart that you're watching here for the FundedSeat. And then on TradingView, we're running the 5 minute for the execution. Yeah, obviously we research 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly. Those are the basic time frames that I'm researching. Testing out a little short here. I'm going to go stop loss break even as soon as I have the opportunity. Right there. And I'm out here. 130 bucks. 510 totally, guys. 510. And I'm going to relong it on 838, 840s if we get that opportunity. 838. Yeah. 838. That's where we've got the daily opening. Oh, there you go. 10 contracts have been filled. We're making money with 10 micros. And I'm fully out here. Thank you. More than 200 bucks speed, all the way up to 736, guys. 737 celebration time. That's some lovely profits to get off. Ho ho ho, yeah. Celebration time. 737 on 3 accounts. Second day of trading. Boom. Funded stage for the funded seat. Lovely, guys. Lovely execution. Lovely execution. I like it. I like it. Looks like we can do things with 10 micros in this little accounts. Oh, that's pretty good, guys. So the question is, we need 2 more days for the payout. 2 more days. I think that's pretty comfortable, right? But now for me to take the max payout, I'll have to produce a little more. Assuming we have no consistency, I can leave my winners, produce more. Good morning, good day, good evening, greetings everyone. 7:37 up. We got quite a few Lucid accounts, evaluation of 150,000 that are close to being funded. For example, this one. Have a look into that. 157,535. And we got to bring this one to 159. That's 1,500. All it needs. Testing out a little long. Boom, boom. Ha 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 ha. Testing out a little long here. I'm out. There you go. 884. Oh yeah. 884, guys. Now I'm testing out a little short here. 20 micros. Come on. Give me a little sell-off. I went ahead and did a 5-minute short on my Lucid account on the evaluation. Lovely. Lovely. This is pretty close on making that 1,500. Look at that one, guys. Pretty close, right? And the targets have been hit pretty much both sides. Big profit made on the funded seed, and the whole profit needed has been made on the Lucid, guys. Celebration time. Look at that. 1,500. We're up to 159. This is just huge. Boom! What a great start. What a great start, guys. Wow. Look at that trading. Make sure to like the video. We gotta collect 200 likes. So we have one more funded. This is the third funded. Let's go for the next one. We have two accounts which are extremely close. For example, this one sitting on 158,897. This one needs an additional 110 bucks. And we're gonna have the fourth funded. We got those two big belly accounts. I'm testing out a single contract long here, a single mini. And I'm out. 159.24, another funded account, guys. There you go. Celebration. Celebration with fireworks for the second past account today of 150,000 Lucid Flex. Great. That's just great. Look at that one. Beautiful. So now we have 4 in total. 4. And we're going for the fifth. Which is also extremely close. About 600 bucks away. Look at that. It has 158,465. $600 away. It's going to be the third past for today. This is looking very interesting. Look at that one, guys. Very interesting. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah. Scalping, basically. So I don't mind if I have to short. We're shorting 2 minis from here. We got the stop loss break even, which has been touched. Now in this case scenario, we have opening a short here for FundedSeat, trying to cross that 52 grand in profit. I'm out. We're close to that. We need 20 more bucks. That would have been an interesting short. Longing it here, guys. Longing it from my Lucid account too. Might be a little early. Four minis on my Lucid. 10 micros here. Good day, welcome everyone. DC and more, we have 6 minis open. We need about 600 bucks here to pass our 5th account. I've DCA'd 20 micros for my FundedSeat. And we're gonna run a decent take. I'm fully out here basically. 52 grand, that's great. What about this one? Pretty close, pretty close. I'm fully out. 437, guys. We need $100 more. But we're gonna celebrate that one, guys. 437, we need 100 bucks more. Look at that one. It's just unbelievable, right? We're gonna take it slowly. No rush. No rush. I'm a momentum trader basically on the price action, so I do keep an eye on meaningful levels and then price action based on technicals. Longing here. There you go. We need another $100. Single contract long, DCing 2 minis. Price action on candles. Is my specialty. We're gonna have a take profit there. And we touch it, 159 and 45 bucks, made 580. Game over. 3 accounts passed today of 150,000 Lucid Flex, guys. 3 passed today. So we brought them back to having 5 funded accounts. Boom. What a great day. Very good, guys. Good morning, good day everyone. Great to see you, great to have you onboarded. We just passed 3 flexes of 150,000 on Lucid. Lucid is by far the best prop firm out there. Having a great time. Take your 150,000 scramble coupon code, dropping the biggest discounts existent. They have not reset the discounts. So if you consumed your big level discounts, I think it's just about 30% these days. But we're back on trading 5. We just have to upgrade them. We've got the 2 big belly and the 3 fresh we passed today. I'm also enthusiastic about this one, guys, because on FundedSeat, because we might be able to qualify for these 3 accounts for the first payout from FundedSeat. This is the second day, we have 2,000. And having a payout from 3 accounts is pretty good, right? Plus yesterday we qualified for YRM. 3,000. 500 Lucid, exactly, of 150,000. I like that. I'm afraid about today's low and weekly, 758. You know, it's FOMC tomorrow, and we have a statement. Good morning, good day. Good to have you onboarded, guys. Thank you so much for joining. It has been a tremendous day so far. Look at that bouncing. I'm outlonging this. We have one more evaluation sitting on 157. So I could actually try to pass this. And keep it inactive, keep it on pause, right? Till we've got room. We're actually some heavy sizing out here. 10 minis. Oh yeah. That's some heavy sizing. It is. We have a very interesting level here. Look at that. If we lose this, we're in trouble for lower levels, and then I think we're going to have a difficult time breaking back above yesterday's high, 915. We might struggle crossing that VWAP daily opening, 830s, 840s, 850s. Right, this level is important for a bouncing. It is. And I'm not going to desire anything greedy. Couple of points, and then I'm trying to secure my trade with some defensiveness. Risk-free trading, guys. Good morning, good day. You know that's the best. Risk-free trading. If you can do it, then you gotta do it. I'm out for the moment here. 960 profit. Beautiful, guys. Let me see what's happening on my deep chart. I'm out here as well. But we're going to celebrate for the moment. We have no losses. 960 profit. Beautiful. We need another $700, right? Another 700 bucks. Asia low, 755. We just swept London low. This is the London low, 830s. $830s. Yeah, risk-free trading is an interesting concept where you take care about the defensiveness in terms of strategies and approaches before you start talking about profits. How much money can you guys make if you don't care about your losses? What's the point of making money when you don't care about the losses you got and you don't handle your losses correctly? What's the point making profits remaining with nothing? Think about it. Can you be a profitable trader by making profits and having big losses? Obviously no. Or losses that are simply higher in volume. Obviously no. I think the losses are succeeding, having priority above and compared with the winners. I think speaking about the losses, controlling the losses in the right manner compared to the profits you can produce, which is a pretty custom thing. This is something people probably miss out. They try to search for non-dynamic, strict relations of, 1% stop loss, 2% take profit, this kind of ratios, 3% take profit to 1% stop loss. Why would you get out at 3% take profit when the market offers you a lot more, for example, in a specific trade? Like, should you care about a fixed percentage you set, or should you allow yourself to have a instant direct contact with the price action, which could offer you, based on the context, way more during certain times? Why would you limit the profit to a certain preset number when you can just leave the markets to dictate how much you can produce? I think in the long run, there is a lot more to be made from the winners that are running, and you leave them without having a predetermined approach. I think that's where the big money comes from. That's why we've got those big belly accounts, because that's how we made money there, right? 421 and 426 right now. Made from a drawdown of 4,500. Starting from 150K with 4,500 Lucid flexes. Oh. They are funded accounts. They are not meant to be live. They are meant to be funded. Market is acting ugly, right? Interesting. We cashed out 2 weeks ago like $12,000 from 4 funded. Only a single round of cash outs. And now we have 5 funded again. Yes, you go live after 5 payouts from the same account. We only have 1 round of payouts from 4 accounts. 5 or more. I mean, there's people with more than 5 payouts. Yes. And it's already available for me to request payouts, which is something I'm not doing because I like to have 5 accounts ready before I request a payout. I like to take the maximum possible. Last time we cashed out having 4 because I couldn't get my 5th, and we tried for 2 weeks, couldn't get my 5th to 156, which is how much is needed basically for the max payout of 3,000. We know that. Couldn't get my 5th there, so I cashed out from 4. We lost 2. We got a 2 big value remaining, but then today we got to pass 3 fresh 150,000 flexes. So we're going to work around some 5 flexes again. Just got to go ahead on my Lucid dashboard. Let me see that right now and upgrade the accounts. Three are ready to be upgraded. Upgrade to funded. I read the agreement. Submit. Lovely. One more. Read the agreement. Ready with 5 accounts. Probably they're going to lock me out from Quantower. They're going to disconnect me. Good morning, good day everyone. Thank you so much. Remember, $150,000 today in giveaways. We must hit 200 likes. Oh, we got to be disconnected. Got a little long here on my trade of 8 for tap on futures. So let's set up the copy trader for the other. First, we gotta lock the trading for the accounts we made today. Great money. $2,000 totally. Confirm on the daily lockout. Beautiful. We're also trading some YRM. But now it's time to put on the copy trader for FundedSeat. For the other 2 accounts. Let me see what's the payout for the FundedSeat. If I remember correctly, for my 50,000 flex. $1,500, and we've got 3 connected. We just have to do another 1,000 basically. For this one's where we've got 52. We just have to do another 1,000 bucks and we're ready to take max payout. Yeah. Probably I'm gonna stream on Friday. I don't know yet. I don't know yet about Friday's schedule. Might be streaming, guys. We'll have to see. We'll let you know. We'll let you know. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Thank you. refresh Quant Tower. Depends at which prop firm, Martin. Depends at which prop firm. Yeah. I'll have to double check for that schedule. We're speaking about, what is it going to be? 19th of June. Yeah, I'm probably going to stream. I will be streaming, guys. We just came back from the holiday. Early closing, yep. Testing out a little long here. And I'm starting to trade on my fresh Lucid funded account. Here you go, guys. 2 minis long. You know that's the scaling program. You cannot do more than 4. Oh. All the 4 minutes have been filled up here. That was a quite strange wick. But I like the reaction, guys. Yeah, this is another London liquidity here. If they want Asia, I gotta get out because this is too early. But let me make some money on my trades here. I'm fully out on this one, and I'm gonna be fully out from the other one too. 571. That's great profit, guys. 571. This is the first day on this funded account. Yeah, 571. We're gonna celebrate that. I'll tell you. 571. This is a risky level. Could be a cliff there. It's not holding. Could be a cliff. Boom. So you gotta better get out quickly. 571, and then the other one made 56 bucks. We're trying to relong it on this one where we made 56. The 571 is not going to be traded anymore today. Bank holiday on Friday. Two minis long here with an additional, I would say, right there. Oh, you cannot do that on Martin or Lucid, no. you have to trade your live accounts. You can resume trading your evaluations once you lose your live account. It keeps dumping, but we do have 1 minute green candles. Fred, I'm out here. Lovely. 574, guys. So if your entry is good, and just by undercutting the price action you're longing and then getting out, as you can see, we have this downtrending zigzag. So as soon as the market undercuts previous micro low, you're longing. This is functioning. 574, and the other one is 571. Lovely. No more trading for this ones. No more. We're going to trade our third one that we got to make funded today. We still have our FundedSeat long sitting around here. Got back in the long for this fresh funded. Yeah, he's talking. You gotta go with a crazy take profit like that out of the blue, right? Come on. Give me that juice. Give me that juice in 4 minis. Hopefully he's not saying the wrong words markets do not want to hear. Oh yeah. We're chilling. I've longed 5 minis on this evaluation. That still needs about $700 profit. Still needs about $700 profit to be passed. Two more minis added here. Can we get something? This is going to be the 6th evaluation, but we're not going to have it funded because it's going to be fully maxed out, right? 9 minis. I've added to my long here 10 minis, 1 more contract. Just a few more points are needed on my side. Few more points. Nothing crazy, I'm asking. 5 points needed. We always got those 5 points once we undercut. Look at that. As soon as we made a new this is a new London low. As soon as we made a new fresh London, we nicely pumped a couple of points. Where are you? Oh. That's some aggressive dirtiness. That's some silly aggressive dirtiness. which is something I don't like. That's some aggressiveness I don't like. $7.97, pretty close to that. Pretty close to that. I'll take that. This is not exciting anymore here. Gotta focus. Yeah. It's a continuous bleeding here. Continuous bleeding here. Might have to find a way of exiting. By minimizing the loss as much as I can. Few green candles would kind of be sufficient if we have it, but we don't seem to. That's so silly. Unbelievable. Yeah. Let me show you that one, guys. This is where we are. I'm waiting for my exit. I'm waiting for my exit. Out of the ones you see, one is evaluation, one is a fresh funded. This bleeding got me. Got me hard. We're non-stop reversing. Today's low 755. If we go there. Hello guys. Welcome everyone. 755 is something I wouldn't like to see for the moment. Bring it back to daily opening 838 and you can dump it 755 after. Come on, 838. Was not expecting this much of a pullback either. But as soon as I can get out with a tiny, acceptable, decent loss, I'm gonna get out in the second green candle if we have it. Just gotta risk, guys. Go for the second green candle in a row. Hopefully this one is gonna close like this, and then the next one, scramble, is gonna be out. It is what it is, right? I mean, from this one, it's not an issue. It's an evaluation, which has a decent condition. The other one, the funded one, having $2,000 down in the first day is not the best choice. Let's go. Few more points. Come on, the next candle, guys. This one, we're just opening. Couple of more points to the upside. I sold half of it. I'm fully out on this one, and I'm gonna be fully out on the other. So we're down to $115. Down to $15 on this evaluation. And then on the funded, it's not this funded, it's not this funded, it's the fifth funded. Yeah. We're down 1,454. First day. Gotta see a way around this. Plus, we lost 2 funded accounts of 50k on FundedSeat. 2 funded are gone. 2,000 loss in this drop. Yeah. Not an issue. Not an issue. Kids are about to leave the office. You could hear them. They're about to leave the office. You could hear them. Ha ha ha. They want to play here some more games. Oh yeah. Yes, easy recover. No, on this 50k accounts, if it's not the case, 50k is certainly not my bread and butter for many, many months. Who's crying for the funded? Now, today was a very good day. We're not going to cry for 2 funded accounts. And potentially, because of that, lose. We're going to utilize those elements, part of the learning curve. I'm shorting here, 4 minutes shorting on this funded account. 4 minutes short. For FundedSeat, not an issue. We're gonna go with now we're positive by doing this. We're having a good time. It's contextual. I can survive many, many payouts without touching max loss, without stop loss. So it's a numbers game which with prop firms works. And this is why this strategy is only dedicated towards prop firms, if that's the case. But we do take losses as well when it's needed. And we've seen that many, many occasions. Now, the question is, I'd like to get instant funding accounts. So we have we have 2 accounts lost. Those guys are gone. The other 3 are funded and they're $1,000 away from the max payout. What do you mean I can survive through affiliates? I told you something else. We survive through trading. You tell me I survive through affiliates. And you say you know. Having a good time, you gotta chill out, buddy. That's not really the way we enjoy having a great time here. Congratulations for those of you qualifying here for giveaways in our Discord community. We usually respect each other and not just bullshit around. Nah. Not in the mood today, accepting anything. Trash talking is not welcome. Stop loss break even here. We touch it, so we haven't made profit on that short. Look at all that buyback. We don't need trash talkers. Account failed. We're getting those emails, account failed, you know them. Oh my gosh. V-shaped recovery. Daily opening 838. I'm shorting. I'm shorting here. 838, 840s all the way to 846. I am shorting, guys. Exactly. Now, we enjoy constructive criticism and a great chat, but certainly trash talking back and forth is not my taste. $838, $845. That's the daily VWAP and daily opening, guys. I don't think we just crossed them without the reactions from the shorts. Time for the yellow bucks. Up to the right, a golden bucks. We're about to touch some of the things here, which is why I'm going to short it, guys. I'm going to short it. Our limit orders are set. Hopefully we touch them. Hopefully we don't get front run by the tick. I like to have my orders filled up. Look at that. And this evaluation will also be shorted, this evaluation. We got limit orders pretty much everywhere. Just couldn't get those filled up. Market's opening in 10 minutes. I'm trying to do my business before. Trading our Lucid, guys. Trading FundedSeat. Trading, you know, Data&News, Savius, YRM. All these guys as usually. Oh yeah. Not filled up yet. Two minis have been filled up from the other funded account. Lovely. Full size pretty much in both accounts. Good morning, good day. Do not forget to like and subscribe and join the giveaway. Here's the link. Complete the form below. How much do we need here? About 1,000, 700-800, probably around that. 1,000, 700-800 for this evaluation. And this funded is down 1,500 first day. Yeah. Can we do some choppiness here? Few points. Thief. We're gonna be tight. We're gonna be tight. And I'm out here. I'm gonna be out from the other one too. So this is down 1,000. This evaluation, this funded is down 1,000. Our fifth funded. It's good. It's good. But I'm wondering about the other. Plus 1,235. We still need another $400 to make sixth funded account. Obviously, you cannot have 6 funded account Lucid. You can have 5. It's going to remain on pause. Having 6 of 150,000 funded is a great deal. About 10 days ago, we got $12,000 in payout from this guys. Yesterday requested 3,000. So less than 2 weeks. Last 12 days of trading, or last 10 days of trading, we got 15 grand in payouts. I mean, from YRM, we still have to get that payout, which takes quite a few days. More than few days, unfortunately. Told them they gotta speed up, get back on track, the same story. Nothing fresh happens there, so act cautiously. Act cautiously with YRM. Whenever we have updates, I'll let you know, guys. 5 minutes and the market opens. Yeah. I'm happy we only need 400 here. And make sure you join our Discord community. You don't want to miss out on a great community. Yeah, this one is part of the one that we're lost. Just needed like $10 more. This is an interesting candle, guys, I can tell you. This is an interesting candle, this one. You know, I'm going for 10 minutes short. Oh yeah. Maybe the next candle, you never know, but maybe the next candle is going to sit on red. And we're going to have a great time. And we're going to do 4 minutes short from the funded account too. I'd like to see a continuation, basically. Oh, lovely. Ha ha ha. Lovely, just a little deeper there, come on. Pull the trigger. That 5 minute algo gave me some good numbers. Pull the trigger, come on. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, appreciate it. Mm. Three minutes to go. I'm not going to be active in this trades unless we have risk-free positions for the opening. Mm. Come on. Lovely. Bring it down. Ha ha ha. Lovely. So we hit the take profit for that one. I'm gonna go stop loss. Oh yeah. This is having such a strong buying pressure. Look at that one, guys. Oh yeah, stop loss break even. But by the way, we passed another evaluation. We passed 4 evaluations of 150,000 today, guys. Oh, we touched the break even. What's happening here, guys? Oh my gosh. Look at that silly situation. So we touch it here. There you go. 1,965. There you go. 159,365. We've got 6 funded accounts, 5 active, and 1 is pending of 150,000 on Flex, guys. Oh yeah. Boom. Feels great passing 4 evaluations in a single day on the Flex. But look at that. A whole candle is denied. They just wiped me out from a lovely trade, from a lovely short. We got to take care about this $1,000 loss. Eliminate it. Yeah. You see the reaction here? Just like we talked about. Look at that one. Just like we talked about. No surprise. No surprise. Less than 1 minute to go, guys. Thank you. Market opens in 30 seconds. Watch out. Today's low, 755. You might undercut and reverse. Do not exclude that one. Do not. 15 seconds to go and market opens. I'm going to do 5 minutes short on a 7th evaluation. 1 more evaluation. We have the last evaluation alive here. We're going to do... Yeah. I'm shorting here. 5 minis. Best of luck. And I'm out. 2,747 bucks profit. Look at that one. Ha 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 ha. 2,747 profit, guys. Ha ha ha. 2,747 on the opening, 5 minutes, fireworks time. We still need 300 bucks more to make this one funded. Boom. We're gonna have 7 funded accounts. As soon as the new candle opens, I'm longing. Right now. 2 minis long. Three minis. Quant Tower is totally stuck, right? But I'm watching the P&L. And I'm watching... Four minis long. We'll be testing along on my funded account. Lovely. What a lag. Look at that one. This is lagging big time. I'm fully out from... What a lag. It's not that tradable. It's not that tradable. Still need about 700, 500 bucks more. It is pumping, but Nasdaq is waiting for something, guys. It's waiting for something. It is not that ready. It wants to... You know, today's low, weekly VWAP sitting there. Nasdaq wants it. Look at that. Do we get some reactions here or no? We're gonna find it out. Our longs are here. Could have been better, but it is what it is, right? You gotta deal with it at the end of the day. We're still in a decent shape. Sold some of it. I'm fully out here. 159 profit. 159 profit. We passed another evaluation, guys. We passed another evaluation. 7 freaking evaluations. I mean, 7 funded in total. 7 funded. Now it's time to take care about this big boy here. Let me get out of the trade. There you go. 725 on the one we were down a lot. Oh yeah. All the 5 funded accounts are profitable. Plus we have 2 more pending and ready to be activated. Celebration, guys. Celebration. What a day. What a day, fellas. What a day. Boom. What a day on Lucid. We've got 7 funded accounts. What a day. So look at this, guys. We just touched that today's low. And the market is ripping. How long? From 150 to 400,000, about 3 months. 3 months. So, do the math. This is first day funded. 725. First day funded. 571. First day funded, 574. And then the big belly accounts, gotta do 250 bucks here, they got nothing. 426 and 421. These guys have nothing inside. We gotta do that 250 bucks, right? Oh yeah, what a candle. This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare trading. Oh yeah. Feels great. Look at the performance, guys, for June. We're still profitable even after losing 70 grand in a day. 70 grand down. We're still profitable. Do the math. 22,000, 39, and 18 is 79. 10,000 profit. We lost 69, we made 79. 10,000 profit in 4 trading days. 5 trading days, 10,000. It's 2,000 a day. And then for May, well, this is for May, 90 plus loss in the last 2 days of the month. 98,000. And then this is for April. And then this is for March. This is the way we started. So this is kind of the way you gotta start. Look at that. In our 4th day, we made 38 grand. $752. Oh. You're making good money with that one. Daily opening touched. That's good money, doctor. I would never refuse that. So you need a day like that to be able to have cushion, to have buffer. You need a day like that, which should come quite quickly after you get funded. If you do the math, how many points we made to earn 38,500 bucks in a day, 10 minis for our trading. $200 a point, right? 200 bucks a point. You want to divide 38,584 by 200. And you'll see how many points. 192 points profit. 192 points profit on 10 minis. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I'll be right back in 2 minutes, everyone. 2 minutes, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, we're back. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. So, what's happening out here? Oh, look at that pump. Wow. This is nuts. Let's trade the break belly accounts. Got some longs going on the big belly accounts. There you go. Let's get some longs going around 10 minis. Yeah, we must hit minimum 200 likes if you want to do the giveaways. Remember, 30 minutes left. 30 minutes left, guys. Good evening, good day. 30 minutes left for that. "30 minutes left to achieve an extra 50 likes. Come on, guys. You can do it. You can certainly do it. I like that entry. Bottom tick. And fully out, 4,000 bucks profit. And the other 4,100. Candle disappears, scramble remains with the profit. Ha ha ha. Celebration. Celebration time. Hello. Whoa. Candle comes back. What a move. What a move. At some point, we resume for a strong trend. You want to watch out for 915, yesterday's high. You don't want to underestimate that. 915. Ho, ho, ho. This is running lovely. And it's not that easy. I'm grabbing 31070s. I'm grabbing, for the first time, 2 instant funded from FundedSeat. So not challenges, 2 instant funded of Bolt. Because this instant funded of FundedSeat, the Bolt instant funded, have no challenges. And obviously no challenges. I wanted to say, no, that one. I wanted to say no consistency from the second stage, guys. No consistency. Right? So the instant funding, Bolt, the one I made a video about, is no consistency from the second stage. With daily payouts after the first payout. Right? So 20% consistency on the first stage. And then no consistency. I've grabbed 2 accounts of this, which are the best by far. And we have 3. Oh, there you go. They're already ready. We have 3 funded that are close to payout. You know, the 50K challenges. There you go. Instant funded, no consistency, is unique and daily payout from instant funded starting by the second cycle. Yeah. I think it's really good. I want to have 5 of those. Yes, Bolt instant funding. 60% off, scramble coupon code, first purchase, then 50. Target is 6%, 6. Five, sorry, 5. Let me double check that. I think you might be right. Let me quickly double check that. I made a video and I remember something around Bolt. I think it's 5. Yes, 5%, not 6. Attention, please. Correcting. 5% target only. So you got to bring it 105. We got too long our big belly accounts. Lovely. So not 6 but 5% target, even better. Yeah, 20% consistency, 5% target is not bad. Second cycle, not even having consistency, and you can request payouts daily from the second cycle. It's just insane, right? I'm gonna start trading them. I shouldn't cross $1,000 a day, right? For my consistency to be respected, I shouldn't cross $1,000 a day. $50 micros long. Hmm. 10 minis actually here on this side. I'll have my stop loss there. Come on, just a little higher. There you go, 832, guys. Profit first day, 832. I'll try to do an extra 170, 180. Oh, yeah. Relonging this. $180. Give me that possibility. There you go. Stop loss break even here. And we touch it. We touch it. 994 profit, guys. Celebration. First day for the Bolt account. Instant funding Bolt. Oh, let me get out of my trades here. If this is not looking good, I'll have to get out. Yeah. If this is going bananas, I'm out. In other words, if we're not running hard here, I'm out. And then we continue celebrating for the Bolt account. Push. Come on, push. We got a big belly accounts. And still holding around. I'm out here. I'm out from the other one too. 6,715 profit. Beautiful, guys. Celebration time. 6,715 profit. Boom. And the other one has 5,875. Meanwhile, on the other side, we've got $1,000. Absolutely amazing. We only lost 2 funded accounts of 50,000 on FundedSeat today. But it was a huge day. I'm gonna wrap up the thing soon. Remember, guys, we must hit 200 likes. 200 likes to do the giveaways. Giveaways target time will be in 20 minutes from now. If we miss hitting the 200 likes for 20 minutes, we cannot do the giveaways today. They will be postponed for tomorrow. Yes, thank you, Fred. It's not bad at all, isn't it? Haha. Not bad at all. Relonged. Look at this. This is an interesting level. It's worth our attention, guys. Beautiful profits here. Let's just run it back. Let's just run it back to 31,000. Are you ready? We are loaded up with 20 minis. Having another 150 points. Fred, you said earlier 6,700. Now we're sitting on 9,000, 10,000. Look at that. 8,000. Oh my gosh. That's some hell of a volatility. Oh yeah. It's ready. It's ready for the hourly opening. Yeah, we gotta hit 200 likes. There is 15 minutes more to hit 200 likes. As a timeline for our target. I don't think we don't touch yesterday's high today. 9:15. I don't think we don't go there. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna refuse that. Nah. Just gotta wait. 100 points from here. Getting hurt in the strays a little, but it's gonna recover. Not to worry. Not to worry. Not to worry. Yeah, I like it. I love it. So let's see. We got some juice from this hourly. First down and then back. This is a beautiful level of demand. Pretty powerful so far. I mean, that 767 weekly VWAP there. I was expecting a little more from the daily opening. Gotta chill out. This is gonna rip. And we got enough buffer to play games. This volatility, 4,000, 5,000 down, 6,000, 10,000 down. It's fine. We can digest that. We got the room. Remember, guys, we must hit 200 likes to do the giveaways in 14 minutes. What's the purpose of no consistency in the second payout cycle if there is pay cap? The purpose is for you to be able to earn that money in a single day, in your first day of your second cycle, and cash it out. Cash out the money you have as a pay cap. That's the, no consistency is no consistency. The purpose of no consistency is exactly reverse with the purpose of the consistency. The cap is around $2,000, and you can have 5 accounts, so it's $10,000 basically. I mean, having no consistency and first day of your second cycle to be able to take out $10,000 is not a bad deal. It's not a bad business. It's not a bad business. 10 grand in a day. You take it out first day. You take it out in your first day of your second cycle. You can take it out in your first day of your third cycle as well. I mean, it's hard. It's not easy. But as soon as the possibility is there, why would you exclude it? Yeah, it's better. Exactly, Quantum. It's better. It's 3,000 for Lucid, Fred. Yes, but he was asking me about FundedSeat, Fred. My Lucid accounts are £3,000 because they're a 150 grand account, Lucid Flex. But he was asking me the 100,000 accounts from FundedSeat, the Bolt accounts, instant funding Bolt, no consistency. No consistency on instant funding is unique. You don't get that here or there. I don't think you get that anywhere. Lovely move. 10 minutes to go to hit our targets for the likes. 10 minutes to go. Let's see, community, if we can hit that 200 likes. Right on. We're about to break even here. We're about to break even and move. We're about to break even and move. Here's the Discord. Let me drop you the Discord link. There you go. Daily opening rejecting for the moment. Look at that. You've got to be aware of that. Daily opening is doing dirty things. Yeah, daily opening, and we up there, confirming. I'm thinking about the possibility to get around this level. I mean, I can digest that with my buffer, not an issue. But you gotta be careful if you're sitting in longs. You gotta survive a movement downwards towards 750s, and the price action can still remain bullish. So it's not bearish if it goes there. No. It's a reaction point. You can have a pretty decent entry from that level too. Weekly we up 767. Today's low 750s. I don't know. No idea. Finally, we're break even with one of the positions. Break even. Finally. I think this is going higher. I'm not exiting yet. Looks nice. If we successfully clear that daily opening 838 with momentum, then we're gonna fly. I'm not gonna get out of this below 915. We got 6 minutes to go to collect our 200 likes. Oh my gosh, what a rejection, guys. Look at that. We up there punishing. We up there punishing. 6 minutes to collect 8 likes. That's a lovely candle. Oh yeah. I like it. We've closed our daily. We've closed our 5-minute above the daily. Have a look into that. Not a disaster. And a much bigger problem, the current price action for the bears than for the bulls. They might be missing out on something. One more is needed. Scammy price action. Indeed. You know, the growth comes from slow grinding, which is not easy to digest. Slow grinding. Trading above the daily opening here in VWAP should have some reaction on this 5-minute candle. Lovely. Great day. We actually have 7 funded for Lucid, 5 active, and 2 paused. We passed today 5 accounts, guys. 5 Lucid flexes we passed today. It's unbelievable. Plus we got close to the payout on FundedSeat with 3 accounts of 50k. Only $1,000 are needed. And we're gonna take 3 pounds of 1,500 each. 4,500, pretty good. Yeah, we touched the likes, beautiful. Giveaway starts in about 3 minutes. Buckle up. Buckle up, everyone. And you don't want to miss out on the other giveaway, which is running in the background. Let me share with you the Lucid one. Let me share with you. It's in a YouTube Shorts. Let me share that with you guys. Give me a moment. Looks good. Looks good. Ha ha ha. Looks pretty good. Fully denied. So in the meantime, we have a giveaway running in the background. I'm sharing the link, guys. It's on my YouTube channel. It's a YouTube short, right? A Lucid giveaway. We're gonna draw this on the 18th, this one. You can find it on YouTube Shorts right there. Giveaway ends on the 18th. We're going to draw the winner on the live stream. 50,000 Lucid Flex. It is a video where we made 54 grand on the live stream. You can check that out. You got to like the video, comment, and be subscribed to participate in that giveaway. You want to check out once we finish the live stream. Alright guys, so one more minute and we are getting started. That daily VWAP with the opening is a nightmare. Is a nightmare. We're gonna leave these trades open because it's time for the giveaways. We're gonna leave these trades open. Beautiful, guys. Come on, buckle up, guys. Buckle up. Time for giveaways. Let's just we need the wheel, we need the ducks, and we need formula. That's all we need. Congratulations. Alright guys, so you want to make sure you're part of our Discord community. Absolutely mandatory. Then you gotta like the video, be subscribed to our YouTube channel, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. And of course, you want to complete the participation on today's giveaway. That's the link on Formula. You don't want to miss out. Yesterday, we had winners that were not filling the form to participate in the giveaway. Guess that. Today is the day. So we're doing $150,000, which means we're getting started with two accounts. Two accounts we're going to share in the first giveaway. Two accounts. Two of 25,000. First one will be Tap On Futures 25,000 end of the day drawdown, instant funded from Tap On Futures Prop Firm. And the second one we're going to share in the same first giveaway will be a FundedSeat 25,000 flex account. Right? So these are the two accounts we're going to share with you guys in the first giveaway. First ranked and second ranked. Pretty simple and straightforward. Rules are there, clear. You gotta guess the number. A single choice per person. Do not guess multiple times. And do not spam your number. It is not welcome. So guess the number, guys, between 0 and 5. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 5, let me know your choice, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck there. Stop. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle and we're good to go. Good luck, everyone. Time to see if we can hit that number 3. No, it's not going to be number 3. It's going to be the 0. I can tell you it's going to be the 0. Congratulations for the winners. That's going to sit on 0. Look at that one, guys. Just like Nasdaq is dumping big time. We're down 11 grand. Oh, yeah. 0. Congratulations for the winners. Red 0. Congratulations, everyone. Time for the duck race. Look at that drop. Nasdaq is paying the price. So here we are, 24 winners, 26 totally, 30 seconds competition time. Remember, we're sharing 2 accounts in this giveaway. 2 accounts. The first one is the TAP1Futures, end of the day drawdown instant funded. And the second one is FundedSeat Flex 25,000. Good job, Kim. Congratulations. Well, you made money on that short, right? So who's going to speed up right now? Oh, Leon. Leon is speeding up and winning the $25,000 from TAP1Futures. And Stephanie, there you go. FundedSeat goes out to you. Beautiful. Look at that. Congratulations. Time to see if you guys completed a form. Time to find it out. If the form is completed. Oh yeah, I think it is. Leon, did you fill up the form, Leon? Yes. Oh. Good job, Leon. And the next one, Stephanie. Stephanie Benitez is here. Congratulations. Oh, congratulations for that. Good job. Continuing with the second giveaway. So we shared 50 grand. Now we're going to share another 50. And this is going to be out of the lovely 50,000 Lucid Flex. 50,000 Lucid Flex. Oh my gosh, what's happening here, guys? Bleeding big time down to 700s. Bleeding big time. Bleeding on my portfolio. I'm going to take care about this. You don't have to worry. Look at that. In the meantime, more than 20,000 down. More than that. Oh, yeah. But we're going to recover one way or the other. So listen up for the numbers. Between 0 and 7. You can guess the number. Start right now. Let me know your best choice between 0 and 7, guys. Come on. 50,000 Lucid Flex. Oh, yeah. We're going to recover one way or the other. Got to take care about this trade for the next minutes or maybe hours. We'll have to see. You guys will find it out tomorrow as soon as we join on the stream. You guys will find it out tomorrow what happened. We'll see my dashboard. Somehow we gotta wipe that loss. Wipe it out. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there for the Lucid Flex. Best of luck, everyone. That could be the 0, guys, on green. What do you feel about the 0 on green? I feel great. I feel great. 0 on green. There you go. Looks like a pancake zero, by the way. Ha ha ha. Here we are. Zero for the winners. Back-to-back zeros today. There's not gonna be many. Nah. I think less than 20. Less than 20, guys. You bet. I think less than 20. Watch out. 18. Haha. Stephanie's there. I saw your name. Oh, look at that. 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, everyone. You know who's winning? 10th ranked. 10th. 10th ranked is winning. Number 10 on ranking is winning, guys. Attention, please. Number 10. Number 10 is winning. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, Zill, you're winning the wrong race. Oh my gosh, Zill. You're winning the wrong race. You need number 10. Who is number 10? Vitron. Vitron is number 10. Is the winner. Vitron, look at that. Did you fill up the form, Vitron? Oh yeah. 50,000. Damn. 50,000 for Vitron. Lucid Flex. That's crazy. You're winning the wrong race. Oh my gosh. Continuing with the last one, 50,000 YRM. 50,000 YRM. Putting up for 150 grand today with this 50,000 YRM. Zill actually qualified for some nice winners back in the day. I remember with Tick Trader, he actually got 2 payouts from a giveaway account on Tick Prop Firm back in the day, a couple of months ago. Alright, fellas, so this is where we are. Watch out for the numbers. Watch out between 0 and 5. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Come on, guys. What a sell-off on Nasdaq. What a sell-off. They want to drive me crazy? Are they? Between 0 and 5, let me know your best choice. Good luck, everyone. Keep going. Keep going. Been getting more and more private messages with people qualifying payouts from our giveaway accounts. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle. And here we are. What if we get a 000, guys? What do you think about? Is it rigged if we get a 000? Now, I can confirm it. It's not going to be 0. I think it's going to be number 3. Congratulations for the winners. That's going to be the number 3. I'm pretty sure about it. Oh, yeah. Oh. There you go. Red color wins. Number 3 for the winners. Congratulations. That you guys switch from 0 to number 3. Some of you, maybe. Congratulations. Wow. Market is dumping. Oh, there's a lot of the guys here. 50. So this is where you guys are sitting on number 3. 52. 1 minute competition time. Let's have fun. So let's do 2 rounds for this. 2 rounds. Who's qualifying second round? So let me tell you. First plus 25th. And that's it. So the first and 25th. Oh my gosh, down to 60s? Oh yeah. This is getting aggressive on me. So first and 25th. Is going second round for this 50,000 YRM. Mr. Knife Art. Oh, there you go, Mr. Knife Art. You're the first. Congratulations, buddy. Mr. Knife Art qualifying. And then who's the 25th? That shot. That shot iron. You're the 25th, buddy. So, Mr. Knife Art. Did you? Mr. Knife is here. And the dat shot is here as well. You guys will race. You guys will race for 30 seconds. And we're going to reward laziness. Second ranked wins. Second ranked. So the last wins. Nasdaq down to 620s. You don't want to see my account, don't you? Oh, Mr. Knife Art, speeding up at the wrong time. You don't have to. No, no. That shit iron. Winning. There you go. Congratulations. 50,000. YRM goes out to you. That shit iron. Ha ha ha. Oh. There you go. Congratulations. Congratulations. Well, this is where we are. Indeed. Solar's down. We have another one here. Having a nightmare. Somehow gonna recover from this silly trade. Silly candles all the way. 45 grand. Watch out, Scrambo, forcing hard and trying to recover from this. Watch out, guys. You're going to find it out what happened in tomorrow's live stream for these 2 accounts. Thank you so much for following. We're having a great time. Wish you a beautiful day. Peace. All the love out there. And we talk to you tomorrow. We keep in touch on the Discord. Have a beautiful day.